Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. Today we'll be learning how to make this logo emblem on Adobe Illustrator. So first we want to draw the middle piece, the middle shape. So I would normally like to draw like a shape here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so a shape here. So what you want to do is, because there's a roundish top and bottom, so what you can do is at this white dot, you can actually pull it all the way down and this will be that shape. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to change this to a stroke. So we want this to be thicker. So let's say, okay, let's say 10 should do the work. And then we want this rose part in the middle. So I've actually have the rose part in an image. So what you want to do is you drag that image in and then you click on image trace, and this will trace the entire rose. So you click on this button and then click on add once and then ignore white. So this will cut out just the pattern part. So you click on expand and this will change into the vector. Okay, so we want this at the back of it. So we click on Command Shift and left bracket. Maybe we want to adjust this to be bigger. Okay, right about there. Okay, and as you can see, the original design is thinner. So what you want to do is you want to go to Object and then you go to Path and then you go to Offset Path and then you go to -1. Let's see, maybe -2. -2 or -3. Okay, -3. So what this does is it draws a shape that is smaller than that. So we want this part, so we cut this out and then we remove this part and then we paste the previous part back in. Okay, and then you want it at the back of it, so Command Shift and left bracket. And then on this particular shape, you want to copy another copy. So you Command C and Command F, which will paste it in front of it. And then you click, okay, you click on this circle and this shape, and then you make clipping mask. Right click and make clipping mask. Okay, so this is kind of how it looks like. So you want this to be pink as well. So you double click on it, double click on this, and then you change it to this pink, and voila, you have the centerpiece. Okay, and then let's make the text. So what you want to do is you want to go to Object again, and then you go to Path, and then you go to Offset Path. This time you're going to put, let's say 10. Okay, wait, the wrong one. Okay, so next you want to select on this rectangle and then you go to Object and then Path and then Offset Path. Okay, this time we are going to put it outside. Let's say 10 should be enough. 10 shelf. Okay, 10 shelf should do it. Okay, so what you want to do now is to actually do the text over here. So we have Micella Blossom. So you click on the text tool, you right click on it and then type on path tool. And then you click on the path. This will create the path. So Micella Blossom. Let's see if the spelling is correct. Okay, without the S. Okay, and then you want to increase the size. Let's see what size is this. This is 46. So let's change this to 46. And this is an Optima bow. Is it? Optima bow. And then you want it to be all caps. Okay. And then you see there's this line over here. You can just adjust them to change the position of this. So let's say change it to the middle. And then we click on the align center. And this will be at the center. So you might want to adjust the, what do we call this? Horizontal scale. So let's say, no, not the horizontal scale, the tracking. So let's say 50 should do quite well. Okay, and then we want another one for the Chinese text, or if you have another text at the bottom. So you can copy this, Command C, and then Command F to paste it in front. And then at this line, at the middle of it, you can actually drag it down here. Okay, so let's drag it this way. Okay, so you see it's actually not at the correct line. So what you can do is at the characters bar, and this part, set the baseline shift. So you can actually click on this to change the position of this. Okay, so let's copy this text. Okay, and we are done. And then you want this another text to be pink as well. Okay, and we are done with that. And then to draw the star, you can actually go to the star tool. Yep, you can actually draw the star tool and then just reduce it. And I like it to have like not too pointy, so you click on it and then you click on Command, which brings up these dots, and then you can adjust the roundness of this. Okay, and then you click on Option and click on and then you click on Option and then you click on this, and then this will actually duplicate as you drag. Okay, so now how about the outer shell? So the outer shell, the same thing, you can use this circle and then you click on Object, Path, and then Offset Path, and then let's see, 100 I guess. 100, okay, too much, maybe 80, okay, 70, okay, about there. Okay, so the reason why we use offset path is because if we were to resize this might be at a different shape. But if you use offset path, it's actually the exact same width when you resize it. So this one, you might want it to be at a different stroke. So at the top here, you can actually increase the stroke. So yep. And then I think this one is a bit too fat, so you can just adjust according to how you like it. So that's how you do it. So that's how you do this logo emblem thing, which is very easy, just a few simple steps. So we have come to the end of this video. If you like videos on Adobe Illustrator, Photoshops, and other designing tutorials, tips and tricks, please do subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell button. I'll see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.